The 2026 Fleetwood Bounder has arrived, and it's redefining what a luxury motorhome can be. This isn't just another RV, it's a statement on wheels, designed for travelers who want to explore the open road without sacrificing the comfort of home. Let's start with the exterior. The Bounder's design is bold, modern, and unmistakably premium. Fleetwood has refined its aerodynamic profile for smoother highway performance and improved fuel efficiency. LED lighting, full-body paint options, and sleek chrome detailing make it stand out in any campground or RV park. And with power retractable awnings and exterior entertainment setups, your outdoor living space is just as inviting as what's inside. Now, step through the door and it's like entering a small luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 Bounder offers multiple floor plans, each one optimized for space and comfort. There's residential-style furniture, premium vinyl flooring, and LED accent lighting that gives the interior a high-end feel. The living area features power recliners, a 4K smart TV, and even a fireplace option, turning your road trip into a 5-star experience. In the kitchen, you'll find solid surface countertops, a farmhouse-style sink, and a residential refrigerator. The induction cooktop and convection microwave make cooking on the road easier than ever. Storage is intelligently designed too, with soft close cabinets and deep drawers that keep everything secure while driving. Moving into the bedroom, the Bounder continues to impress. A king-size bed, generous wardrobe space, and a dedicated smart TV turn this area into a private retreat. Some models even feature a washer and dryer setup because convenience matters, especially when you're traveling for weeks at a time. In the bathroom, Fleetwood gives attention to every detail. A full-size shower, porcelain toilet, and solid surface vanity create a spa-like experience, far beyond what most expect in an RV. Under the hood, the Bounder runs on a powerful Ford F-53 chassis with a 7.3L V8 engine, delivering impressive torque and reliability for long hauls or mountain climbs. The ride quality is smooth thanks to upgraded suspension and automatic leveling systems that make setup a breeze. The advanced cockpit features a digital dash display, adaptive cruise control, and multiple camera views to make driving and parking safer and more intuitive. Tech lovers will appreciate the integrated smart control system that allows you to monitor and manage lighting, temperature, and tank levels right from your phone. Solar panel options and lithium battery upgrades make it ready for off-grid adventures too. Safety hasn't been overlooked. From collision mitigation to blind spot detection, the Bounder packs in features that keep you confident behind the wheel. In short, the 2026 Fleetwood Bounder is more than just a camper, it's an elevated travel experience. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time RVer, it offers the perfect blend of performance, technology, and luxury.